Today we'll be checking how we can install the Mobikul mobile app within the sales channel here, within your what we say as the Shopify web store backend. So to do so, what you need to do is after you've logged into your Shopify account, on the left hand side panel you'll have the apps section. So you'll have to open that up. So let me open that up in another window. And on the apps page here on the top right hand corner you'll find the shop for apps button. So you need to tap that up. That would bring up the Shopify App Store itself, and within the Shopify App Store here you'll have to search for Mobikul, and then you'll have to tap here on the search icon that you can see, and that would bring up the complete list of products there. And here's the product that we need to install. That's the mobile app builder by Mobikul, by Webkul Software Private Limited. So I'll just tap on that. After tapping that up, you'll see this particular page here with the details of this mobile app builder. And here you can see that it has a 30-day free trial period, and then it's $25 per month thereafter. So to install this app into your Shopify backend there, you'll have to tap here on the add app button, and then you'll see an installation button or the option there. You'll have to install this particular mobile application onto your Shopify store there. And after you're done with it, when you come back to this particular section here, to your home page for example, so let me refresh the page once. Under the sales channel you'll find the Mobikul mobile app, as you can see right now. And if I tap on that, if I tap on the Mobikul mobile app, this would bring up the Mobikul mobile app. And here you can see that we have the initial section here, and here we have the page builder, the push notification section, integration section, configuration section, mobile app section, plans, and the help section as well. So under the mobile app you'll find the Android demo app QR code and the iOS demo QR code app there. And on the page builder you'll be able to find the complete list of builder components that can be used to create your mobile application. So that's how it is easy to create or to set up the Mobikul mobile app sales channel. So yes, that was much about this particular video, and I just showed you how you can easily install the Mobikul mobile app from the Shopify store itself. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.